Hi, this is Team B4 and we are presenting our project on document CoFinder, a cross-lingual semantic search tool. Our problem? Well, although there's a lot of information accessible on the internet, it can be extremely challenging to locate the right document to respond to a particular query, especially when dealing with multiple documents in various languages. This leads to decreased productivity. Therefore, there's a need to provide a solution to this. So we meet Amma. Amma is a Ghanaian studying abroad in France. Her worry? Well, she wants to write a research paper. She has to access French articles on her laptop to provide her with the information she needs, but she can't speak French. Regardless of this language barrier, Amma needs a fast and reliable means to access the information.
This is where Document CoFinder comes in. It's a robust solution that enables individuals and organizations to access information in documents regardless of the fact that there may be a language barrier. Using semantic search, which we enabled based on Cohere's multilingual embeddings and re-ranking API, we are able to traverse documents and select the information that we need and return it in a human-friendly form. We also integrated machine translation to help users verify that the results surfaced from a foreign language are actually relevant to their use case. We'll walk you through the solution now. We've taken the liberty of downloading a file in French over here. We know that this French is talking about nutrition, something similar to Amma's use case. And we are going to run this file through Document CoFinder to extract some useful information. So an example query Amma might ask is, what do vitamins do for the human body? What do vitamins do? Now, the embeddings, the multilingual embeddings will run. They will check the document. Our query is in English, but the document is in French, and we get a response. We see it says vitamins help to fight against infections and strengthen the body. We made sure to check a translation to make sure that what we are seeing is actually right. And here at the bottom it says vitamins help fight infections and strengthen the body. So we know that it's doing the right thing. But in case anybody was wondering, we also have the relevant chunks of data in French and translated to English so that anybody can verify that the information being provided is true and not a hallucination of the language model. We can try another query. So we are going to ask, what are the types of sugars? I'll correct this right here just in case. So the same thing happens that happened a minute ago. We are going through the document and looking for relevant information based on meaning. And we see there are complex sugars, bread starch, and simple sugars, glucose, fructose, lactose. Once again, we can check against our translation and we see it over here. There are complex sugars, bread starch, and simple sugars, glucose, fructose, and the like. So the model is obviously doing what it's supposed to do. The technologies that have gone into making Document CoFinder, first of all, those made available by Cohere, such as the code.embed and code.rerank. Code.embed for the multilingual embeddings, code.rerank to improve results. And we have the code.generate for generating more human-friendly feedback from the response. We also used translators, the translators package in Python. We use that to create the translations that one can use to verify that the text chunks that came back or that were deemed as relevant were actually relevant to the solution. We use Streamlit to create a live demo, and we use the annoy package to determine nearest neighbors. The impact of this is that it provides ease of access for document information retrieval. It provides significant speed up in research and referencing, saving users time. It's low risk because we do not save the documents between sessions, so information is kept safe. Limitations of this are that we are limited by the languages covered by the multilingual embeddings model. Also, API rate limits are another limitation. We hope to expand the work to other document types and formats and to allow for querying and final responses in the actual languages that users want to engage with. The team behind this is Kwejo Japontra and Wendy Esuman, with a range of skills from software engineering through data and machine learning to product and business development. We'd like to acknowledge and thank El Neil, whose work inspired this through the Cohere Discord community. And yeah, thank you very much for your time.